here at the European Auto Center to pick up my car. And my car has been here for about a week and a half. We had an air conditioner problem, but I picked it up. So walk with me this way. Follow me. Of course, I'm picking up my car. You know I had to do my inspection. Upon inspecting my car, I noticed that my rim had a bruise on it. As you can see, it has a nice bruise on it, but it's okay because the owner said he's going to take care of it. Now, what I'm going to do, we get ready to go do some running around. Once I get back home, clean up a little bit, I'll shoot another short video and let you know exactly what's going on. I will show how much it costs to get fixed versus what it costs to get it fixed at a regular Mercedes dealer. So until then, this is Ralph. This is Ralph back at you. I told you once I come back from cleaning up the ride, I will go in a little more detail on what it costs, and I will show you, get a little closer up with the rim from the damage that was done at the shop. Once again, you can see where I got a little scrub on the wheel, but the owner was nice enough to tell me he would fix it, which is a good thing, because if not, we may have some issues. With that said, here's the bill. Name of shop, nice guy, really nice guy. Like I said, it's a European Auto Center in Fort Worth. And this right here was the total cost. $975. Now, so I'm glad to have it back. I have some more work to do on it. My next video will be on what the Mercedes dealer want to charge me to fix my car. So if you have any questions about anything about my car, you got any ideas of what I can do to make my car look better or run faster, please let me know and I'll get back with you, and that's a wrap.